Hey y'all, Iris here. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another video. Today I'm going to share with you how I make herbal salves using herbal infused oils. To make these oils, what I do is pack a jar full of dried herbs, cover it completely with a food grade oil, and let it sit in a warm spot, preferably away from sunlight, for 4 to 6 weeks. Once you have your infused oil, you're going to want to strain all of the plant material from the oil. I'm using a mesh strainer along with a little piece of tea towel to make sure that I catch any of the small plant particles. The next step is to melt grated beeswax into your infused oil. I'm using a double boiler to keep my temperature as low as I can. You want to keep the temperature very low to preserve the medicinal properties of the herbs. I'm going to slowly melt in the beeswax until I achieve my desired consistency. To test the consistency of your salve, you want to separate out a small amount and put it in the refrigerator to test the hardness level. Once you've reached your desired consistency, it's time to put it in the containers that you're going to keep it in immediately before it hardens. Let your salves sit at room temperature until they are completely cooled, and then they are ready to use. I try to use mine up within 6 months to keep them as potent as possible.